Welcome to 98th percentile. Today we are going to do Math Kangaroo 2019 5 and 6 problem number 20. The problem reads, Benjamin writes a number into 5 circles. He then carries out the calculations as instructed and each time writes down the results in the respective circles. How many of the 6 numbers are divisible by 3? So we can see that there are 5 circles that are given and each instructions are also given here. So in this case, the question is asked, how many of them are divisible by 3? Is it A1, B2, C1 or 2, D2 or 3, and E3 or 4? Let's see the problem. So, as we see in this, let the first number be x. So when it is added by 1, it would be x plus 1. Now when this x plus 1 is added by 1 again, it becomes x plus 2. Now the instruction is that it is multiplied by 3. So 3 times x plus 2. Then now this number is added by 2. So it becomes 3 times x plus 2 plus 2. And this entire thing then gets multiplied by 2 to 2 times 3 times x plus 2 plus 2. So now we will be seeing the solution of it and we have to see how many of them are divisible by 3. So if we see in the first go itself, we can note that the fourth number has 3 times x plus 2. So this would be a multiple of 3. So this will be divisible by 3. So this is one number that we already know that it is divisible by 3. So let's now move on to the first 3 numbers. So if we see, these are consecutive numbers, x, x plus 1, and x plus 2. So if we take any consecutive numbers, maybe from 1 to 10, we'll see that in that combination of 3 consecutive numbers, there would be one number which is divisible by 3. So among these 3, we can also have one number which is divisible by 3. Now let us move on to the last 2 numbers. So if we see that this number is added by 2, but the previous number already was divisible by 3. So adding 2 won't be divisible by 2. So this won't be divisible by 2. And now when we see the entire thing is divisible by 2, but a non-divisible number by 3 when multiplied by 2 won't be what? Yes, won't be divisible by 3. Hence, we will be having exactly 2 numbers which are divisible by 3 in this context. Hence, our answer is option B. I hope you understood the question. Thank you.